In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a mesh-triggered geometry nodes. I have created a mesh circle, a cylinder, and a plane. The geometry nodes were created on the plane to get the instances of the cycles. Here are the full nodes. I have placed the same material for the cylinder and the plane to show you something later in the video. When I select and move the mesh circle, the material will move along. Not only that, if the distance is too far, the mesh will disappear. I'm moving the mesh circle around. This is on the z-axis. Let's take a look at the nodes. We need to manually select or type some words in the nodes. For example, we need to select the mesh circle here and select the cylinder there. Manually type height and scale. I have told you about the bug I've encountered on the Community tab a couple of days ago. I'll show you what that bug was about. As I have shown you previously, I have added the same material for both cylinder and plane. I wanted to show you something. When I first added this material to the cylinder, the material didn't appear on the final mesh. Meaning if I remove the material from the cylinder like this, it will disappear even if I undo the action. I have spent some time trying to troubleshoot this issue, and found it can only be fixed if I reload the entire blend file after saving it first. In other words, if your mesh is blank after applying the material to the cylinder, please save and open the blend file again. I think this is a bug. I couldn't figure out what was going on late at night, and went to sleep. When I opened the blend file in the morning, the issue was gone. So if there's no material in the mesh while using the geometry nodes, please save and reopen the blend file to fix the issue. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.